DMK executive meet was held in Chennai. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin chairs DMK executive meet. Resolutions passed in DMK executive meet. DMK condemns Home Minister Shah's Ambedkar remark. DMK demands to call off One Nation, One Poll. They also demand relief for Cyclone Fenjal. Pramod Madhav is joining us live on the broadcast from Chennai. Pramod, there are certain resolutions that have been passed in the DMK executive meet. They've also condemned Home Minister Amit Shah's remarks on Ambedkar, among other demands that have been made. Help us understand what exactly, resolutions have been passed in the DMK meet.
It absolutely is, Chetna. As we speak, the actual executive committee meeting is happening, and the Chief Minister is still inside with other DMK senior leaders as well, including Kanimozhi, T.R. Balu, and even Udaynithi Stalin, the Deputy Chief Minister. But what currently is happening is here is that 12 resolutions were passed. The first one being condemning the Home Minister Amit Shah. DMK claims that whatever speech the Home Minister had made in the Parliament is actually a derogatory speech against the father of the Constitution, B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and that's why they claim that they wanted an apology and said DMK MPs along with other opposition party MPs held large protest over there. But the actual resolution also claims that drama was enforced by BJP inside and outside Parliament, and that's the reason DMK claims that they are condemning the speech of Home Minister Amit Shah. Along with that, 11 other resolutions were also passed, just like you mentioned. DMK wants BJP to call back the One Nation, One Election poll issues as well, and along with that, they want nearly 9,000 crores relief fund for the damage that has been caused by Cyclone Fenjal. Also, they want the fishermen and the boats that were seized by the Sri Lankan Navy. They want that back. And also the DMK, one of the resolutions claim that Kachativu that was given to Sri Lanka, it should be retrieved. So these are the important aspects of the resolution that was passed. And right now the meeting is still happening over there. This is an executive committee meeting of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, the party. So an extent of the meeting was given to us through a live link. But what the Chief Minister has spoken, it seems to be an internal party secret, and that has not been relayed to the public yet now.
Absolutely, Pramod. Thanks for bringing us all those details. The DMK has condemned Home Minister Shah's remarks on Ambedkar as well as expressly opposed One Nation, One Poll.